Christopherson holding me down and snapped. He broke Mr. Christopherson's nose before the coaches pulled him off. There was blood everywhere, including on Tyler's new skates. Everyone was screaming and recording on their phones. In the car, my parents were silent until Mom turned around and slapped me hard. "You selfish brat," she screamed. "You've ruined Tyler's career. Everything we've worked for." Dad agreed. "You led him on and caused a scene. No scout will touch Tyler now because you couldn't keep your mouth shut." Tyler tried to defend me. "He was attacking her. Didn't you see what he was doing?" "Shut up, Tyler," Dad said. "You don't understand how girls like your sister operate. She's been flirting with him for attention. At home, they told me to pack. I was going to Grandma's until I learned to be bold. Tyler followed me to my room. That's my great sister. She's a social worker. Call her when you get to Grandma's and tell her. They'll destroy your career. I don't care anymore. This is my fault too. I knew something was wrong, but I let hockey matter more. He hugged me for the first time in years. "I'll fix this, I promise." While I packed, I heard my parents on the phone downstairs. Mom was crying and begging Mr. Christopherson not to press charges against Tyler. "We're so sorry," she said. "Lily has always been trouble. She's leaving tomorrow and won't bother you again." Then Dad said something that made me freeze. "Tyler has